Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. I'm really excited. I have another product from Campark in front of me. This is the X20C Ultra HD 4K action camera. This thing is really awesome. It's an alternative to a GoPro. So honestly, instead of spending a couple $100 on a GoPro, I recommend getting this thing. It's only $79.99 on Amazon right now with a 20% coupon code that you can clip, so you can save even more money. But honestly, you're just paying for the brand with a GoPro. This thing does the same exact stuff, maybe even better, for a fraction of the price. All right. So I'm going to go over some of the features, show you how the camera looks, how it works, and also go over some of the stuff that comes in the box, the functionality of the camera and all that stuff. Right off the bat, I'm going to tell you this is the best budget action camera you're going to get. All right. So we will go over the actual camera first. So we'll pick this up, and to turn it on, there's an on switch right here in the front. So we'll hold that. All right, you're going to get this little screen in the front, which is really useful. And this is going to tell you if you're in video record mode. It'll also show you your battery. All right, so how much battery is left on the battery here. This thing does come with 2 batteries, which is really nice. I haven't took the other battery out of the plastic yet because I haven't had to charge it. But it's really nice that they include 2 batteries for you. All right, you can click the mode, and this will switch back and forth from picture and video, which is really cool. All right, we'll also give you some time here in the front, and you also have your lens and the Campark branding in the front. So we'll go around the side here. We have the up and down switch here. All right, that's for your menu options when the waterproof case is on the phone, so you can go through the menus. On the top, you have your take a picture or record button here. All right, and that also is usable with the case on. If you look on the back, yes, this thing is touchscreen, really cool. All right, so we'll slide to unlock. It is a really nice touchscreen. All right, so really sensitive, which is really nice. So we'll go into the settings first. You pick your resolution here, and we'll go through a couple other resolutions here that you can pick for your videos. All right, so it has quite a few to pick from. We also have image rotation. You can turn that off. You can also turn the Wi-Fi on to transfer photos and videos. You cannot record while the Wi-Fi is on, so it has to be off while you're recording. All right, so that's only for transferring videos and photos. Wi-Fi information is going to be the SSID, and the Wi-Fi password to connect to the camera to set up the app and, take your photos and videos off of the camera. We also have light source frequency. You can change that from auto to manual. The LED indicator, you can turn that off as well to save some battery. Auto screensaver. All right, this will give you length. So we'll actually change that to 1 minute. Actually, we'll leave it at 30 seconds. Auto power off in 3 minutes. Sleep, wake up. You can turn that off. Button prompt, middle, language, English, time format, time set, format, device info, factory reset, all that good stuff is in here. All right. And like I said, this is all accessible from the touchscreen. You can also get the battery indicator up at the top, which will let you know how much battery you have left. And the microphone will let you know that it is recording sound. All right. You also have the option to play your videos, but I don't have a card in here right now. We actually took it out to export some videos. So that is not accessible right now, but you can watch the videos on this camera from this screen here. So we'll go over to the other side. We have I believe that's mini HDMI. This is micro USB, which I kind of wish they went with the USB-C. All right, it's just a more reliable connection here. And we also have the micro SD card slot as well, so you can put your micro SD card slots or cards in there. All right, to record. All right, what else do we have here? If we look at the bottom here, here's your threads to put it on a tripod or any of the connectors that they give you for all the accessories in your box. All right, so this will be for like hat cams, like I said, tripods, drivey cams, all that good stuff. You can actually mount from here. All right, we also have the battery container here, or the compartment. All right, you can just flip this open. The battery will come out, and you can put it back in. The only thing I don't like is it's not anchored to the camera. So if you flip this up, be careful because it's going to fly somewhere, and you don't want to lose this thing. And have to buy a new battery compartment cover. I'm not even sure if they sell those or not. But as you can see, it locks automatically, so you can just slide to unlock to get back to the camera. All right, so that's going around the camera. All right, so this is the waterproof case that it comes with. All right, so as long as it is in this and it's sealed properly, you will get a nice waterproof seal. All right, so this is for taking it underwater and stuff. It works really, really well. All right, so I'll show you how to open this up. So this is closed right now, so you just flip this little ledge here, open this up, and it's tight because you definitely want the seal to work. All right, so there you go. And what you want to do is you just want to line up the lens with the lens on the case. All right, so we'll put this in here. I'll just drop it in. There you go. What you want to do is you just want to close this door with the seal on it. All right, close that good. And you want to take this little clip and put it over, lift it up, and snap it. And there you go. You have a nice watertight seal here. All right, and that's really cool. You bring this. We bought this on the boat. Went underwater to check out the fish and all that good stuff. And it does indeed keep the water out. All right, so just keep that in mind. And you have your mount here with the clips. All right, you can switch these out as well by just twisting this. All right, and you can actually remove this and mount it on something that you'd like a hat cam or something, or even like we even tried a bike mount and stuff, and those work really well. So put that down here. I will show you the remote here. So this is to start and stop video here and to take a picture. So if you want to put this on a tripod and take like a selfie with all your friends, or even take a video without having to do anything, all you got to do is from a distance just hit this button and it will start recording or take a picture. All right, we have all these accessories here that come in the box. Some Velcro straps here. We also have a different back, which is not waterproof. It has these little slots on here that you can use. All right, and a bunch of other accessories here. So they give you a bunch of things that you can use that are very useful. They also give you cleaning rag here, and also I believe these are adhesive strips you can use to mount the camera. And some other mounts as well. The micro USB cable, another mount, and the extra battery, which I haven't even opened up yet. All right, so that's the camera. And to be honest, again, you're not going to get a better bang for your buck. To be honest, this thing is going to do everything you want for a fraction of the price of the GoPro. Again, this is $79.99 on Amazon with a 20% coupon code you can clip, save yourself a bunch of money. And if you're really worried about it, honestly, when you're going through the checkout, you can check the option for like a 3 or 4 year warranty. And if anything happens to this camera, you can get it replaced. No questions asked. All right, so I do recommend this camera. Campark makes really good stuff. So if you're even looking at other products from Campark, like a different camera or something, check it out. Honestly, you won't be disappointed. All right. But until next time, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, hit subscribe. Go ahead and hit the bell for notifications for new videos. But until next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day.